If I was to tell you Chase Sexton was the fastest qualifier, super fast, and had the lead in the main and somehow still lost points, would you be surprised to hear that he crashed again? You gotta say, at some point this year, he's gotta take the full on responsibility and just say, I'm making mistakes. I need to be better. But he did say in a pro space interview, not a great night. I almost hole shot and got into the lead super quick. But when I fell, the bike was just mangled. I had a hard time moving up after that. It's definitely a night I want to move on from. I just have to go to the next round and prove what I can do. Power comes from how you respond to adversity, keeping it moving. And while it's all great and well to be positive and say, yeah, I've got it. I can move on from this and move the next round will be great. He said that like 4 or 5, 6 rounds in a row now because he always just seems to crash. At the point that he did this, he had a 4-second lead with 10 minutes left to go. And you got to say, that's a big lead. Well, yes, things can happen. Somebody could have caught him, whatever. These are fully self-inflicted wounds, and he's now down 22 points, which, I don't think, if I'm wrong, somebody correct me in the comments below. I don't think anybody has come back from more than 17 points, at least, at this point in the season. But you can tell he just tucks the front, his own fault. Nobody around him, no pressure, no nothing. Just doop, and there it goes. By the time he picks it up, he's already down in 4th, 5th, whatever. But I don't know. In the comments below, you tell me. Do you think he keeps making mistakes this year? Do you think he fixes it and makes the racing closer? Or is it just this championship down to Webb and Tomac? Or, I don't know, comment whatever you want. Go down there, comment it. As you're growing down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe to all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really helps me out with the algorithm and I appreciate it. With that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.